Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of skincare to bring you the best of the best. If you've been searching for the key to healthy, glowing skin, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best peptide moisturizers that will take your skincare routine to the next level. Peptides are a powerhouse ingredient that can transform your skin in ways you've never imagined. So, whether you're looking to boost hydration, firm up that skin barrier, or simply achieve that perfect plump complexion, we've got you covered. Get ready to discover what makes these top picks stand out and how they can work wonders for you. Let's dive straight into this countdown, because beautiful skin starts with the right choices. Stay tuned. Coming in at number 5 in our top 5 best peptide moisturizers countdown is the Skinfix Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Peptide Cream. If you've been struggling with skin that feels dry, tight, or looks dull, this moisturizer could be the solution you've been searching for. What if I told you that you can have smoother, brighter, and firmer skin in just a matter of days? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Skinfix's formula is packed with 4 powerhouse ingredients designed to transform your skin. The patented triple lipid complex works to replenish and restore lipids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. That's right. This cream doesn't just hydrate, it actively strengthens the skin's natural defense, protecting it from environmental stressors that can cause premature aging. Now let's talk about the benefits. This deeply nourishing cream is clinically proven to hydrate and improve skin elasticity, leaving your skin looking more radiant and plump. Thanks to the inclusion of peptides, it supports the overall health of your skin barrier, which is your skin's first line of defense. That's crucial because when your barrier is weak, harmful elements like pollutants can get in, while essential moisture and nutrients can escape. And it's not just about hydration. This cream also delivers long-term results. By incorporating seaweed sodium hyaluronate and lily root into the formula, Skinfix ensures that the moisture stays locked in, leaving your skin looking healthy and refreshed. Plus, it's suitable for all skin types and is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. The best part? It's clean, dermatologist-recommended, and free from sulfates, parabens, and fragrances. That's right, no harsh chemicals, just powerful, skin-loving ingredients that work. If you're looking to give your skin the nourishment it deserves and combat signs of aging or dryness, this is a must-try. Try it daily, morning and night, and experience the 7x plumping effect when paired with Skinfix's triple lipid activating serum. If this sounds like the skincare solution you've been searching for, then make sure to subscribe to Beautyistic for more tips and tricks that'll keep your skin glowing. At number 4 in our top 5 best peptide moisturizers countdown, we have the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream. Imagine a moisturizer that doesn't just hydrate, but actually works to firm and renew your skin, leaving it looking younger, smoother, and more radiant. What if you could experience that kind of transformation with just a few pumps every day? This isn't your average moisturizer. Drunk Elephant's Protini Polypeptide Cream is packed with a potent blend of peptides and amino acids that help rebuild your skin's protective barrier. If you've been dealing with the frustration of dry, dull, or lackluster skin, this is your solution. It's designed to restore your skin's moisture balance, improve elasticity, and even tackle the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The beauty of this product lies in its clean, clinical formula. Free from essential oils, silicones, and fragrances, it's suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Plus, it's dermatologist-tested and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. What makes Protini Polypeptide Cream stand out is its ability to target multiple skin concerns at once. The inclusion of glycolic and lactic acids helps gently exfoliate, removing dead skin cells to reveal a smoother, more even complexion. It's like a mini facial in a jar, delivering professional-grade results in the comfort of your own home. If you're looking for a moisturizer that does more than just hydrate, this is the one to add to your routine. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, uneven texture, or skin that's lost its bounce, Drunk Elephant's Protini Polypeptide Cream delivers real results. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your skincare routine. And if you're loving what you've learned so far, make sure to subscribe to Beautyistic for more tips and tricks to keep your skin glowing and youthful. Coming in at number 3 in our top 5 best peptide moisturizers countdown, the Lancôme Rénergie H.P.N 300 Peptide Face Cream is an absolute powerhouse for anyone looking to target visible signs of aging. What if you could reduce wrinkles, firm your skin, and visibly lift sagging areas in just a matter of weeks? This cream does all of that and more. This isn't just another anti-aging moisturizer. With a blend of 3 key peptides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide, it works synergistically to address multiple skin concerns. If you've been struggling with dark spots, fine lines, or a lack of firmness around your jawline and lower face, this cream offers a targeted solution that tackles those issues head-on. Lancôme's advanced formula is designed to boost skin's elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and even out skin tone. What's more, it's tailored to treat the delicate lower face area, which often shows the earliest signs of aging. If you've noticed that your jawline or neck is losing its youthful definition, this product can make a significant difference. The key ingredients in this formula are known for their ability to draw moisture into the skin, enhance hydration, and improve skin texture. Niacinamide helps to brighten the complexion, while hyaluronic acid attracts moisture to plump and hydrate. Together, they help restore that youthful, radiant glow while visibly tightening and firming. If you're serious about combating sagging, wrinkles, and dark spots, this moisturizer provides a multidimensional approach. And for those looking for fast results, this formula delivers noticeable improvements in skin texture and firmness after just a few weeks of use. For smoother, firmer, and more youthful skin, the Lancôme Rénergie H.P.N 300 Peptide Face Cream is a must-have. If you like what you've learned here, subscribe to Beautyistic for more skin-transforming tips. You'll want to keep up with our countdown to the number 1 pick. Are you loving the countdown of the top 5 best peptide moisturizers? Well, don't just moisturize your skin, moisturize your support too. Give that like button a good press, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a glow-up. Ranking at number 2 in our top 5 best peptide moisturizers countdown is the AziMD Skincare Restore Moisturizing Cream. Imagine a moisturizer that not only hydrates, but also targets fine lines, redness, and uneven skin tone. If you've been searching for a skin-plumping, age-defying solution, this luxurious cream could be the answer. Formulated with a powerhouse blend of clinical-grade ingredients like resveratrol, vegan stem cells, tetrapeptides, and niacinamide, this cream works to revitalize your skin on a deep cellular level. Whether you're concerned about fine lines, redness, or dullness, this product tackles it all, delivering noticeable results. Niacinamide brightens your complexion while improving texture, while tetrapeptides work to stimulate collagen production, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. But that's not all. The combination of ceramides and antioxidants in this formula helps to lock in moisture and protect your skin from environmental damage. If you've been struggling with skin that feels dry or lacks radiance, this cream provides the nourishment and hydration your skin craves, leaving you with a glowing, healthier-looking complexion. Designed for both day and night use, this moisturizer is perfect for anyone looking to add a bit of luxury to their skincare routine while also addressing the visible signs of aging. The creamy, rich texture sinks effortlessly into the skin, making it ideal for both morning and evening application, and can even be used in tandem with retinoid treatments. If you're ready to give your skin a deeply restorative boost, the AziMD Skincare Restore Moisturizing Cream delivers long-lasting hydration and visible age-defying benefits. Want more skin-transforming tips like this? Subscribe to Beautyistic and stay tuned for our number 1 pick in the top 5 best peptide moisturizers countdown. At number 1 in our top 5 best peptide moisturizers countdown, we have the Medic 8 Total Moisture Daily Facial Cream. What if you could have long-lasting hydration, all-day skin barrier support, and a plump, glowing complexion without the greasy feel or pore-clogging ingredients? This lightweight, peptide-infused cream delivers just that. This clinically proven moisturizer instantly boosts skin moisture providing up to 100 hours of hydration. With multi-weight hyaluronic acid, it works immediately to plump and refresh your skin, leaving it cushion soft and supple. Whether you're starting your day or winding down for the night, this moisturizer provides the perfect level of moisture to keep your skin feeling hydrated and balanced. But it doesn't stop there. Infused with prebiotic peptides, this cream actively supports your skin's barrier and helps maintain the delicate balance of your skin's microbiome. The result? Healthy, glowing skin within just 1 hour of use. It's more than just a moisturizer. It's a treatment that leaves your skin looking and feeling its best. The Medic 8 Total Moisture Daily Facial Cream is also the ideal base for makeup. Its airy, non-greasy formula melts into the skin effortlessly, allowing for smooth layering of sunscreen or foundation, while also extending the longevity of your makeup. What makes this cream even more remarkable is its thoughtful formulation. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and dermatologically tested, making it gentle on both your skin and the environment. Plus, it's fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, ensuring it won't clog your pores. If you're ready to experience skin that's hydrated, plump, and protected with the ultimate peptide-infused moisturizer, the Medic 8 Total Moisture Daily Facial Cream is your go-to solution. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert skincare tips right here on Beautyistic. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top 5 best peptide moisturizers. To stay in the loop with all the hottest products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check out the pinned comment for direct links to all the best sellers we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.